relative reference. Last class we have already discussed about that. What is the relative reference? Here we are going to discuss about 1 second. Okay, when we create a formula reference to the cell of the will based on the position relative to the cell. It means that when you are copying the any formula from one place to the another place, the formula is copied and that respect to the cell address also copied. But when we paste into that cell reference will be changed. That is called the relative reference. Okay, now here we are going to discuss about that what is the relative reference. Okay, for example, that okay, if you have entered the formula in the D file, okay, and E file, and we have applied the formula, means that equal sign D5 plus E5, and when we put the enter, and it will add this both numbers. And when we copy this, okay, for example that F5, when we copy and when we paste to the other position, that will be the formula is also copied, but there the cell address will be automatically changed according to that cell. Okay, this is the way of the relative reference. Now here I am going to discuss about that what is absolute reference. Okay, this is the new topic. Okay, this second part of the reference, that is called the absolute reference. In the absolute reference, there going to be the change of the any cell address. Means that copy the formula to the another cell. To use the absolute reference in the formula, you need to specify with the dollar sign. Okay, means that here we are going to discuss about that what is the dollar sign. Dollar sign, when we use in dollar sign, it will fix the cell address position. Okay, now see here. Absolute reference is used to when we do not want to change the address of the cell while copying the formula to the another cell. To use the absolute reference in the formula, we need to add the dollar sign to before the column and the row. If you don't want to change the value of the row, then we have to put before the row value, we have to put the dollar sign. If you don't want to change the column value, then we have to put the dollar sign before the column. Okay, now here we have given the example is there in the see here. In the next classes, I will show you the practically how to perform the absolute value practically. Now we are going to discuss about the mixed reference. Means that it is the combination of the relative and the absolute reference. In this type of reference, either the row or the column has to remain the fixed, or an example is that let us use this method. In this method, either we fix the row or the column value. Okay, in there I have already told about that if you want to fix the row value, then you have to put the dollar sign. If you want to fix the column value, then you have to write the dollar sign before the column name. Okay, this is the mixed reference. Okay, now next is that this is the process where we are going to apply this. Okay, practically we apply afterwards. Okay, before that we have to see that how this mixed reference value is taken. Okay, next is that circular reference. A circular reference occurs when a formula in a cell refers to its own cell value directly or the indirectly. Okay, means a circular reference occurs when a formula in a cell refers to its own cell value directly or the indirectly. For example, if you enter the formula is equal to A1 plus A2 into 3. Okay, in the any cell. Okay, now see here, in a cell A2 we are making the formula to refers to its own cell value, which is not possible or warning as shown in the figure when given to the will be the display in the such a case. As soon as you click on the OK button of the warning dialog box, 0 will be entered in the cell containing the formula. The status bar will also notify you to circulate the reference is found the workbook and the address of the cell will be display on it. Okay, when we place the enter, the this type of message will be shown here. Okay, and when we just click the OK, the value will be entered into the that cell is 0. Okay, this is the way how we can perform the self reference. And next is that cell reference of another worksheet. Means you can use the cell reference of the one worksheet into another worksheet. This can be done in the two way, using the copy paste option. Okay, means that if you have make the one result in the sheet 1, and if you just want to copy that formula to the another sheet 1, that just we copy and paste the their formula. Okay, and next is that using the sheet reference. In this method we use the sheet number, exclamatory sign, marks and the cell address to the refers to the cell of the particular worksheet. For example, by writing the sheet number 1 exclamatory sign D4, you are refers to the cell D4 to sheet 1. Now we use this method. Okay, one method is that just copy and paste. Another method is using the sheet reference, means that followed by the exclamatory sign we can copy the formula to the that next sheet. Okay, this video is enough for the practical, and now next is that we'll discuss about the name the worksheet, and another video will discuss the practical of the all references, means that relative references, absolute references, mixed references and circular references, and that is the copy and paste type of the formula copy from the paste from one sheet to the another sheet. Okay student, see you on the next video. Thank you.